You are welcome to the 2025 Goal Regional Championship from the Eastern Region. This is the first semi-final contest. And in this contest, we have St. Peter's Senior High School, Okuapemman School, Koforidua Secondary Technical School, and Nifa Senior High School. Let's meet the contestants. St. Peter's Senior High School is represented by
Minta Boaji Benihina Boaji. Abuni Manuel.
Okuapemman School is represented by
Asari.
We'd also like to acknowledge the support from CHAS in preparing these brilliant students to participate in the competition. My name is Dr. Thelma Ohinie, a senior lecturer at the School of Pharmacy, University of Ghana, Legon. I'm your quiz mistress, and this is a Primetime production. To our schools, we'll have this semi-final contest in 4 rounds. We'll start in round 1. And in this round, every question that comes to you, you have 30 seconds to give an answer if it involves calculations. If there are no calculations, you have 10 seconds. Correct answer will earn you 3 points, and incorrect answer 0. But that question becomes available. And the first school out of the competing schools that rings the bell can have it. If they answer correctly, they earn a point. If the answer is incorrect, then there's a penalty point of 1. In this round, I'll start with St. Peter's Senior High School. Once again, best wishes to all of you. A preamble. Give the meaning of the word in the given language as used in biology. I'll give you a word. I'll give you the original language it's in, and I want you to tell me currently, when we use it in biology, what we mean. Is that good? All of you. St. Peter's, the Latin word stolo, S-T-O-L-O. What does it mean when we use stolo in biology? A bonus. Okuapemman, gene, G-E-N-E, a Greek word, G-E-N-E.
So we have material of heredity.
No. So you are meant to give the meaning of the word in the language. So what's the meaning of gene in Greek language as it is used now? Does that help? No. Okay, so I can move on. Koforidua, Greek word rhizo. Rhizo.
Vertical root.
2 out of 3. Nifa, the Latin word capilla, C-A-P-I-L-L-A, capilla, and it's Latin.
Smaller in size.
Smaller?
In size.
No, a bonus. Okay, so stolo means shoot. Gene, I thought that was even the simplest one, origin. And then rhizo is root. And then capilla is hair. Okay, a preamble. Find the equation, either in the form y squared equals f of x, or x squared equals g of y, of the locus of the point P with coordinates x, y, such that P is equidistant from, I'll take that again. Find the equation either in the form y squared equals f of x, or x squared equals g of y, of the locus of the point with point P with coordinates x, y, such that P is equidistant from St. Peter's. The x-axis and the point A with coordinates 0, -5.
X squared is equal to negative 10y minus 25.
Yes, that's correct. Okuapemman, the y-axis and the point B with coordinates 5, 0. Go ahead.
Okay, so we have y squared is equal to 10x minus 25.
Yes, that's correct. KSTS. The x-axis and the point C with coordinates 0, 3.
S squared equals 6y minus 9.
That's correct. Nifa SHS. The y squared, the y-axis, and the point D with coordinates -3, 0.
Y squared equals negative 6x plus 9.
No. Okay, a bonus to St. Peter's.
Y squared is equal to negative 6x minus 9.
Yes, that's correct. Using a preamble, using the valence shell electron pair repulsion theory, so that's the VESPA theory, predicts the molecular shape of the given molecule. St. Peter's, boron trifluoride.
Trigonal planar.
Yes, that's correct. So in this round, don't look at me or wait for me to call you before, unless it's a bonus. If it's your main question, go ahead and answer. Okuapemman, carbon tetrachloride.
Tetrahedral.
That is correct. Koforidua sectec. Ammonium ion.
Tetrahedral.
That's correct. Nifa, phosphine. pH, so pH 3.
Trigonal planar.
No. A bonus to Okuapemman.
Trigonal pyramidal.
Yes, it's trigonal pyramidal. A preamble. Determine to two significant figures the transition wavelength for the given pair of levels of the hydrogen atom. Determine to two significant figures the transition wavelength for the given pair of levels of the hydrogen atom. St. Peter's, n equals 6 and n equals 8. Go ahead.
It is it is equal to 1.9 by 10 raised to an exponent of negative 9 meters.
No, a bonus. Okuapemman, n equals 4 and n equals 7. Go ahead.
Okay, so it is given by 2.13 by 10 raised to an exponent of negative 6 meters.
No. A bonus. KSTS, n equals 5 and n equals 9.
Okay, so we have it to be equal to 3.2 by 10 raised to an exponent of negative 6 meters.
No. A bonus. Nifa, n equals 3 and n equals 10.
One 0.6 by 10 exponent, negative 7 meters.
No. A bonus. Okay. So, Okuapemman, I'm not sure why you gave me your answer to 3 significant figures. I asked for 2, and you said 2.13. But the answer actually is your answer was 2.2 micrometers. St. Peter's, 7.5 micrometers. And KSTS, 3.3 micrometers. And Nifa, 0.90 micrometers. Okay. But yeah, we can't come back to the answers. Okay. St. Peter's, what is the arrangement of nephridium? Nephridium. How are they arranged?
Nephridium are arranged in a conical form. That is, they are arranged surrounding a central.
Okay, surrounding a what?
They are arranged such that they surround a central main cavity.
No. Okuapemman, in what group of organisms are nephridia found?
So we have flatworms. That's worms.
No. Okay, Nifa.
Annelids, that is roundworms.
No. KSTS. So what type of organs are nephridia? What type of organs are they?
Excretory organs.
Yes, they are excretory organs. Nifa, name the part of the nephridium through which contents are released. The part of the nephridium through which its contents are released.
Basal part.
No. Okay, so it's the nephridiophore. Nephridiophore. And the arrangement of nephridium is segmental. Segmental. And they are found in invertebrates. Invertebrates. Solve the logarithmic equation for x. Leave your answer as an exponential. Solve the logarithmic equation for x and leave your answer as an exponential. St. Peter's, log to the base 3 of the expression log to the base 2 of x equals 2.
X is equal to 2 to an exponent of 9.
Yes. Okuapemman, log to the base 2 of the expression log to the base 3 of x equals 3.
X is equal to 3 exponent 8.
Yes, that's correct. KSTS. Log to the base 4 of the expression log base 2 of x equals 2.
X equals 2 exponent 16.
Yes. Nifa, log base 3 of the expression log base 4 of x equals 3.
S is equal to 4 to the power 27.
Yes, that's correct. A particle moves at constant acceleration a from initial position s with initial velocity u. Find the exact position of the particle at time t, given that. So a particle moves at constant acceleration a from initial position s with initial velocity u. Find the exact position of the particle at time t, given that St. Peter's, a equals 4 I meters per second squared, s equals negative 5I plus 6J, all in meters. U equals 3J meters per second, and T equals 5 seconds.
Plus what? 21J. The position to be 45I plus 21J, all in meters.
Yes, that's correct. Okuapemman, A is 6J meters per second squared. S is 3I minus 4J, all in meters. U is 2I meters per second, and T is 2 seconds.
We have 7I plus 8J, all in meters.
That's correct. KSTS, A equals negative 4K meters per second squared. S equals negative 5K meters. U is 3J plus 5K meters per second, and T is 3 seconds. Go ahead.
Okay, so we have the displacement to be equal to open bracket 9J, open bracket 9J minus 8K, all in meters.
That's correct. Nifa SHS. Nifa A is negative 8K meters per second squared. S is 3I plus 5K, all in meters. U, negative 2K meters per second, and T is 2 seconds.
We have in one bracket negative 12I plus 20K, all in meters.
No. Okuapemman.
So we have 3I minus 15K, all in meters.
Yes, that's correct. A preamble. What is the empirical formula of a compound containing? What is the empirical formula of a compound containing St. Peter's 46.7% nitrogen and 53.3% oxygen by mass?
NO.
No. Okuapemman.
We have N for O3.
No. Your own question. 27.3% carbon, and 72.7% oxygen by mass. Go ahead.
CO2.
Yes, it's CO2. KSTS, 87.5% nitrogen and 12.5% hydrogen by mass.
Okay. Wait, I'm gone. So we have the empirical formula to be NH2.
Yes. Nifa, 78.6% bismuth and 21.4% fluorine by mass. BI is 209.
So, we have B, I, F, 3.
Yes, that's correct. And I'll accept St. Peter's answer. It's correct. And no. That brings us to the end of round 1.
She's coming. She's coming!
Oh, it's in.
Riddle receipt!
Boss, let's go back.
Okay, here. Take this.
She's
go to
coming.
I know. Go to the pharmacy now.
She's coming! Oh. She's here.
Pay faster, pay safer, and pay easy with Momo app. Download now and pay with the QR code, merchant ID, and so much more.
Before we go on to the scores, I'd like to address something. So in the second set of biology questions, I asked in which organisms are nephridia found? And Okuapemman School said flatworms. It's an acceptable answer. I would accept it. That brings the scores at the end of round 1 to Nifa Senior High School, 7 points. St. Peter's Senior High School, 16 points. Okuapemman School, 20 points. Koforidua Secondary Technical School, 20 points. Round 2. This is the speed race. And here all questions are open to all schools at the same time. The first school to ring the bell and gives a correct answer will earn 3 points. If that answer is incorrect, there's a penalty point to them. The second school can answer for 2 points. The second answer is also incorrect. The third or the fourth school can answer. So third answer, 1 point. Fourth answer, 1 point. At any time, an incorrect answer is -1. If you ring your bell and you do not give an answer, you delay unnecessarily. We move on and you still lose a point. Okay. So also if you give me an answer, you start with, it's a fraction with, and you don't end up giving me a fraction, it's 0. If you tell me 2 brackets multiplying and you end up giving me only 1 bracket, it's 0. So make sure you have an answer. It's actually not 0, -1. Okay. Okay, so our first question. Calculate the number of carbon atoms in the compound with the molecular formula CX H12O5 given that its molar mass is 176. KSCS.
9.
No. Okuapemman. No, hold on. Sorry. St. Peter's rang their bell. Yes, it's 7. How long will it take 512 grams of a radionuclide with a half-life of 7 days to decay to 8 point? St. Peter's.
It is 28 days.
No. Who else? 8.00 grams. Yes, Okuapemman.
42 days.
Yes, it's 42 days. Calculate the oxidation states of element X in H3X507. Okay.
It is positive 11 over 5.
I won't accept it. Who else rang the bell? Nifa.
Positive 11 over 5.
That's just what they said. Anybody else? 1. Yes.
Plus 2.2.
Yes. Do we normally give oxidation states in fractions? The chemistry teachers, do we do that? They were still calculating, so they had rang the bell. You wanted me to calculate 2.2 from 11 over 5. Okay. Our next question. Find the coordinates of the stationary point of the curve y equals 2x cubed minus 3x squared plus. Go ahead.
The x coordinate is 0, then the y coordinate is 4, or the x coordinate is 1, and the y coordinate is 3.
No. Anybody else rang the bell? Plus 5. Okuapemman.
0.5 and 1.4.
Yes. Solve two expressions multiplying. The first expression is 2 cos x plus 1. The second expression is tan x plus 1 equals 0. So this, yes, go ahead.
X is equal to 3 pi on 4 radians.
No. Okay, so all this equals 0. Yes.
X is equal to 5 pi on 6 radians, or X is equal to 3 pi on 4 radians.
No. In the interval 0 less than x less than pi. Okuapemman.
X is equal to 2 pi over 3 radians, or X is equal to 3 pi over 4 radians.
That is correct. Find the coordinates of the image of the point A. 5, -3. After it is reflected in the point P. 3, -.
X coordinate is 1 and the Y coordinate is -5.
No. -5. St. Peter's.
The x coordinate is 1 and the y coordinate is -7.
Yes, that's correct. Find the greatest height attained by a projectile launched with a speed 40 point. Yes.
It is 80.0 meters.
No. 40.0 meters per second at an angle. KSTS.
20.0 meters.
No. 45 degrees above the horizontal. Yes.
40.0 meters.
No. So I have 40.8 meters. So this is because of the value of G you used. We'll come to that. Find the magnitude of the magnetic flux density in the interior of a very long solenoid wound with 125 turns per centimeter when the current in it is 4.0 amperes. KSTS.
6.3 by 10 raised to an exponent of -5 Tesla.
No. Who else rang the bell? Yes.
Okay, so we have 6.3 by 10 exponent -2 Tesla.
That's correct. It's 63 millitesla. Name the conservation law that explains the observation that the speed of a projectile launched upward decreases as its height above the launch point increases. What conservation law explains that the speed of a projectile launched upwards decreases as its height above the launch increases? Law of energy conservation. How many tissue layers make up the menin?
3.
Yeah, 3. So make up the meninges, and it's 3 layers. What kind of hormones are released by the testes?
Steroid hormone.
Yes, steroids. Name the waxy substance that protects the skin.
The sebum.
No. That protects the skin of the fetus from the amniotic fluid. It's the vernix caseosa, and that brings us to the end of round 2.
energy brings you quality choices with Goil Super XP. Available in many Goil stations nationwide. It is fortified with special additives that help your engine perform better and use less fuel. Branch into a Goil station today and energize your ride with Goil Super XP, compatible with most vehicles. Goil Super XP will feel ya, huh? Will be feel. Goil, good energy. Ja, ja, ja.
She's coming. She's coming!
Oh, it's in.
Red out receipt now!
Boss, let's go back.
Okay, here. Take this.
She's
go to
coming.
I know. Go to the pharmacy now.
She's coming! Oh, she's here.
Pay faster, pay safer, and pay easy with Momo app. Download now and pay with the QR code, merchant ID, and so much more.
before we go on to round 3, I'll make a few clarifications. So, Okuapemman is challenging that the oxidation state, they said 11/5. I should accept it, and I accepted 2.2. But this is a speed race. You are supposed to give your answer precise. If not, oxidation state of 2, somebody can tell me 10/5, 20/10, 200/100, and I should accept it. You are supposed to give me the precise value. This is a competition, speed race, precision, accuracy. They are equivalent, but then I'll sit here and accept any fraction at all that equates 2.2. Okay? If it was round 1, maybe I would have given partial mark or even accepted it. Round 2, no, I would not. Also, the question, I said I'll come back to this, and now I've been alerted. So the physics question about the projectile. So they were to find the greatest height attained by a projectile launched with speed 40.0 meters per second at an angle of 45 degrees above the horizontal. Okay, so here they are to call in a value and use the acceleration due to gravity. And I already explained it to the students. So the value you use for acceleration due to gravity, you can use 9.8. But the value you use, you report the significant figures to the value that has the least significant figures. So I gave my values to 3 significant figures. There was 3 significant figures and 2 significant figures. They use 10. If you use 10, you come to an answer of 40. And because 10 has 1 significant figure, you tell me 40, it has 1 significant figure, I accept it. But if you say 40.0, you've used 10 and reported to 3 significant figures. I cannot accept it. So I used 9.81 with them, and we arrived at 40.8, and the students themselves understand. So I said I've given them free apport for the nationals, and they're happy about that. Teachers, you are okay with that? Okay, so the 11.5 answer, I've spoken to the consultant. He says I shouldn't accept it. So we can't go on and on about it. I will not accept it. Okay, so let's move on. The scores at the end of round 2. Nifa Senior High School, 6 points. Koforidua Tech, 16 points. St. Peter's Senior High School, 20 points. And then Okuapemman School, 26 points. Okay, before we go on to round 3, Nifa Senior High School would like Chris to come on for Owusu, and KSTS would like Elom to come on for Samuel. So in this round, this is a true or false round. Each statement that is read out to your school, I expect you to tell me if it is true or false. If you give me a correct answer, you earn 2 points. An incorrect answer, a penalty point of 1. If you are bailed out, another school can ring for your question for the same rules. 2 points if they are correct, -1 if the answer is incorrect. In this round, I'll start with St. Peter's. Antigens are produced by the body.
It is true.
No, it's false. Okuapemman, antigens can be proteins.
True.
Yes. Koforidua Tech, antigens can be polysaccharides.
True.
Yes, it's true. Nifa. Antigens are foreign substances.
False.
No, it's true. They have 30 seconds for this question. St. Peter's, if -3 less than x less than 5, then the expression x plus 3 multiplying the expression x minus 5 is greater than 0.
False.
It's false. Okuapemman, if x is less than -2 or x is greater than 4, then the expression x plus 2 multiplying the expression x minus 4 is less than 0.
False.
Yes, it's false. Koforidua sectec, if 2 less than x less than 7, then the expression x minus 2 multiplying the expression x minus 7 is less than 0.
True.
Yes, it's true. Nifa, if x less than 3 or x greater than 6, then the expression x minus 3 multiplying the expression x minus 6 is greater than 0.
It's true.
Yes, it's true. St. Peter's, a nucleophile is a species that donates an electron pair to form a bond.
It is true.
Yes, it's true. Okuapemman, electrophiles are electron-rich species that attack nucleophiles.
False.
It's false. Koforidua sectec, reaction intermediates are always present in the final product.
False.
Yes, it's false. Nifa, reaction mechanisms explain the step-by-step changes during a chemical reaction.
It's true.
Yes, it's true. St. Peter's, in the decay of a free neutron, a positron is emitted as one of the decay products.
It is false.
Yes, it's false. Okuapemman, the decay of a free neutron is possible because the mass of a free neutron is greater than the masses of the decay products.
False.
No, it's true. Yes. The law of energy conservation is obeyed in the decay of a free neutron.
False.
No, it's true. Nifa, in the decay of a free neutron, a proton is emitted as one of the decay products.
It's false.
No, it's true. St. Peter's, stem modifications occur above ground.
It is true.
Yes, it's true. Okuapemman. Stem modifications occur above ground only.
False.
It's false. KSCS. Stem modifications include tubers.
True.
Yes, it's true. Nifa. Stem modifications can be succulent.
It's true.
Yes, it's true. A preamble. The given number is divisible by 18. So to all of you, the given number is divisible by 18. St. Peter's, 3,627.
False.
Yes. Okuapemman, 7,632.
True.
Yes. KSCS, 9,324.
Okay, so it is true.
Yes, it's true. Nifa, 3,574. 3,574.
It's false.
Yes, it's false. In uniform circular motion, the magnitude of acceleration is constant.
True.
Yes. Okuapemman, in non-uniform circular motion, the radial component of velocity is 0.
False.
No, it's true. KSCS. KSCS. In non-uniform circular motion, centripetal acceleration is constant in magnitude, whereas tangential acceleration varies.
False.
Yes, it's false. Nifa, in circular motion, the magnitude of centripetal acceleration varies whenever speed varies.
It's true.
Yes, it's true. A preamble. In IOPAC nomenclature, St. Peter's, NaCl, is named sodium 1 chloride.
False.
Yes, it's false. Okuapemman, CuCl2 is named copper 2 chloride because copper has a +2 oxidation state.
True.
Yes. KSCS. Roman numerals are used to indicate the oxidation state of transition metals.
True.
Yes, it's true. Nifa SHS. The prefix mono is used for the first element in binary compounds.
It's false.
No, it's true. That brings us to the end of round 3. Mike, the answer, that last question, Nifa has it, is correct. That brings us to the end of round 3. before we go on to round 4, there's a protest from St. Peter's. So they are true or false question. The body produces antigens. They said true, I said false, and they justify why the answer should be true. Antigens can be produced in the human body in certain cases. Endogenous antigens like MHC, tumor antigens, autoantigens, and they're actually right. So with that, the scores at the end of round 3 are Nifa Senior High School, 16 points. KSTS, 29 points. St. Peter's SHS, 36 points. Okuapemman School, 36 points. So, that means we have round 4 to determine which schools that goes smoothly into the final of the Eastern Regional Championship. And this is how we are going to determine the winner or the first finalist. We are going to use 4 different riddles. I will assist you to solve for the riddles by reading out clues to you. At any time, if you have an answer, you ring your bell, I'll stop. If you give me a correct answer on the first clue, 5 points. Second clue, 4 points. Any clue thereafter, 3 points. If your answer is incorrect, there's no penalty. You just wait for your turn for the next riddle. Also in this round, we have the Goal Riddle Bonanza. So apart from your points, you also earn some money if you solve 3 or 4 riddles correctly. 3 correct riddles will earn you 200 cedis. 4 correct riddles will earn you 400 cedis. Actually, I like the note here. It says 400.00 cedis. Specific significant figures, so there are no assumptions made. All the best to you. Our first riddle. I am a neutral particle. I occur with a wide range of energy. I am massless. Yes.
Photon.
Yes, that's correct. Third clue. Third. 3. That's the third clue. They have 3 points. So I am a photon. Our next riddle. I am a property of molecules. I am related to chemical bonds. I measure strength in chemical bonds. I am higher for triple bonds. KSTS.
Polarity.
No. I am higher for triple bonds than for single bonds. I am the energy. Okuapemman.
Bond dissociation energy.
No. I am the energy needed to break 1 mole. St. Peter's.
Bond energy.
That is correct. Okay.
energy brings you quality choices with Goil Super XP. Available in many Goil stations nationwide. It is fortified with special additives that help your engine perform better and use less fuel. Branch into a Goil station today and energize your ride with Goil Super XP, compatible with most vehicles. Goil Super XP will feel ya, huh? Will be feel. Goil, good energy. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Next riddle. Our next riddle. I am an animal. I possess a 4-chambered hat. I also possess air sacs. I lay hard-shelled eggs. I use my wings to soar above the horizon. Who am I? St. Peter's.
You are a bird.
Yes, I'm a bird. Our last riddle. Our last riddle. Okay, let's listen to our last riddle. I am a 4-digit even number. I am a 4-digit even number. My first digit is an identity. The number formed by my first 2 digits is a square. My last digit is a square. The number formed by my first 3 digits is also a square. St. Peter's.
1,694.
That is correct. Okay, there's a protest from Okuapemman. The chemistry riddle. So it said, I'm a property of molecules. I'm related to chemical bonds. I measure strength in chemical bonds. I am higher for triple bonds than for single bonds. I am the energy needed to break 1 mole of a specific bond in a molecule. Okuapemman said bond dissociation energy. I did not accept. And then St. Peter said bond energy, which I accepted. The answer I have here is bond energy. So the issue here is the first 4 clues all point to bond energy. But when you read the 5th clue, then it can be bond dissociation energy or bond energy. And so because the clues do not point specifically to one answer, so at this point, both answers are technically could be correct. So it is fair that we accept Okuapemman's answer since it was first. And so that will mean that at the end of the 4th round, the scores are Nifa Senior High School 16 points, Koforidua Tech 29 points, Okuapemman School 42 points, St. Peter Senior High School 42 points. And also, we know that in the semi-final contest, at least in both of them, the highest runner-up will join the final. So everybody's 1 point is important. So for fairness, so here at this point, we'll break the tie, okay? To determine the clear winner of this contest. And how we are going to break this tie, I'm going to ask 3 different questions. At this point, Nifa and KSTS, thank you, but this is between Okuapemman and St. Peter's. So there are 3 questions. I'll ask all of them. When I'm done with the 3rd one, the school that has been able to answer 2 out of the 3, or the majority, is the one who will be declared winner. Right? You all understand the rules so that we don't argue about it. So I'll ask 3 questions. If at the end of the day a school answers all 3 questions, they've won. If a school answers 2 questions out of the 3 correctly, they've won. If they answer only 1 and the other school does not get any correct, so simple majority, we are good. St. Peter's and Okuapemman, yes? No more arguments and debates about it. So let's go. Our first question. So you ring your bell. No, so I'll ask the question. It's a normal question. If you have an answer, ring your bell. So the first person to ring the bell, I'll allow you to answer. Even if I say "de" and you ring the bell, I'll allow you to answer. Okay, so the first question. Find the coordinates of the point P, x, y, if after a reflection in the origin, its image is the point B, 4, negative
Negative 4, 5.
No. Negative 6.
Negative 4, 6.
Yes. Our next question. Our next question. Oh. Given that cos x equals √3/2, find all possible values.
X is equal to pi on 6, or x is equal to...
No. Okay. So find all possible values of sine x. Yes, St. Peter's.
1/2. That is sine x could be equal to 1/2. Or sine x could be equal to negative 1/2.
Yes, that's correct. So our last question. So the person who answers this question correctly, we break the tie. Very fair. A vehicle is sold for 105,000 Ghana cedis for a profit of 5%. Find the cost price. St. Peter's, your answer. Your answer.
It is 1.0.
Your answer. Has Okuapemman rang the bell? Yeah.
1.0.
No. Okay, hurry up. 1 point.
9.
No.
One.
No, it's not correct. Yes, Okuapemman.
We have 70,000.
No. Another question. No. Or true or false? It's 100,000. 100,000. Point is sudden death, okay? The person who answers correctly, and St. Peter's, I'm not taking that again. You ring the bell, you have an answer. So solve the radical equation. The square root of the expression 4x minus 4 equals 8. St. Peter's.
X is equal to 17.
Yeah, that's correct. The tie has been broken. St. Peter's has won this contest and they qualify to the final stage. So congratulations to St. Peter's Senior High School. thank you for joining us for the 2025 Goal Regional Championship. The Goal Regional Championship is proudly sponsored by Goal PLC, with support from MTN, Momo, and Joy News. My name is Thelmohine J, your quiz mistress, and this is a Primetime production.